Doing a review of the Predator Ultimate Samurai Predator. Box is quite nice, good details, good graphic art. Figure comes with a sword and 3 different lengths of spears. Good detail on the eyes. Measures over 8 inches, about 8.5 inches in length. Blades are retractable, and there's really good detail on the blade there on the sword. As it's a new figure, it's a bit stiff, but trying to get the head back on. Yeah, the crown sort of broke. I mean, it's an easy job with some glue, but these, as you know from having these figures, are quite stiff. With this joint I can move that a little bit, but with the right hand I wasn't able to. Really great figure, lots of detail. Gun moves about, plasma gun moves about. Overall, really cool figure, quite poseable. It's new gen. The articulating joints seem to be well. The only issue with this, you sort of can't pose it well because of the rubber around the waist. So there's not a lot of leg articulation. But just for standing it up, quite cool.